Hello, welcome back. We're going to show here how a student can submit his work or her work through Schoology in this with the applet that we're working with in this tutorial. So, as you can see here, I'm the student now. I must copy this shape that you see here, okay? And I must follow the same logic that is here. I mean, it's a triangle with the inner circumference and the inner center, okay? This is the inner center, the touching points, okay? So here we must copy this applet. So I'm going to open a GeoGebra page here that I have, a clean one, and I will start doing my work. So I can create my triangle, yes, and then I will create the circumference that it's inside the triangle, something like this. And then I'm a bad student. I know that I cannot do things like that, but I'm going to show something afterwards with this. Okay, so I must make it okay. This is even for a bad student wrong. So I must do the circumference again. So let's see, we can do it like that. Okay, something like that. Then we can I'm going to show something afterward. That's why I'm doing it wrong. Okay, so maybe I'm happy with this. I can change the colors. I will hide the algebra view. I will hide all these labels here that I don't need. Okay, so you may do a lot of changes. This is not done right, obviously, but then I will show something about this. So I have two options now to share this with the teacher. One is I must anyway save it, so I can save it. Let's say triangle 2, and I must save it public or shared to be able to share it with the teacher. Be careful with this. Be very careful with this because default is private, so be careful. So we save it. Okay, once it's saved in my GeoGebra 2 page, in my GeoGebra 2 profile. Okay, we'll go there and we are going to copy the link to the teacher. And another way that I can do is here, I can go here and I can go to export and I can download the GeoGebra file, which then I can upload to the teacher. Okay, so those are two ways of working. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to my GeoGebra page, okay, and you will notice that here I have the triangle that I have saved recently. Okay, the triangle that I have saved. Let's go here to .org, and my triangle is going to be, I'm going to abandon because it's saved. My triangle is going to be there. Okay, here I have all my stuff, all my profile, and this is triangle 2. How can I share this to the teacher? Okay, I'm going to open it. Yes, you can open it. And I'm going to copy this link that you see here so the teacher can also enter here and copy this. Okay, so we copy this. And then we're going to go to the assignment and we are going to show the ways you can send it to the teacher. One is, I've done it already, I'm going to resend it. So one way is you can put it as a comment. Okay, so just a comment and you can put the link. See my work here and you can put the link. Okay, it's a little bit slow today. Okay, here as a comment you can paste the link and he will have it. Okay, another way is you can create a file. Okay, create a file and see my work in here and put the link. Okay, let's submit it. Another way, if you have downloaded the GeoGebra file, is you go here, and another way is going to here to file and uploading the file that you downloaded, this triangle 2 that you have downloaded. Okay, three ways that you can do it. Okay, now that is done for the student. Now I'm going to show us teachers how we can mark it, how we can put a grade to that, and how we can see the student's work. Okay, let's show it as a teacher. So here am I the teacher, so I can see the submissions. Okay, here I have one student that submitted, so I'm going to mark it. I'm going to put a grade to that. So let's open it and we can see if the student has submitted just a file with a link, I'm going to see it here. If he has submitted a GeoGebra file, I'm going to see the GeoGebra file here that I'm going to download and open to correct. Okay, but in this case, I have the student that sent the link to the GeoGebra page. So I'm going to see it now, the link. Okay. Wait a second for this to start. Okay, here it is. So I'm going to copy this link and then I'm going to use it to work with this. Okay, if this doesn't allow me to copy, because sometimes it doesn't allow you to copy, I will have to download the file, okay, and then I will have to open it again, or I can copy this, but you see it doesn't allow me to copy. Sometimes it doesn't allow you to copy, so you may download it and then you can start checking the work. Let's show that. So we go here, we are going to download the file so we can see the link. Okay, we are going to copy this. I'm going to copy this here to be able to mark it. Okay, wait a second. Now we open the download that is here. Okay, we open the download and we're going to copy this link into the Google Chrome, and then we have it. So we're going to see the student's work. Okay, here we have the student work. Okay, here we're looking at the work, and we can easily, as teachers, see if this is right or wrong. We have many ways. One way is just moving the object and see if it follows the mathematical logic that we want it to follow. Okay, another one is opening it as a GeoGebra and looking at the construction protocol, which I'm going to show. So we can easily see that this is not so good. Okay, so we're going to mark it with a lousy grade because this is wrong. Okay, another way that you can work this out for marking is open it with the GeoGebra app. I mean, the link that the students sent to you, must open it as a GeoGebra file, and you will have more options to mark it here because you have something that is called the construction protocol. Let's see it. If you open this in the GeoGebra Math apps, you are going to see, let's wait for the toolbar to appear here. Okay, so we're going to see here, and we see here, we must see the construction protocols. Okay, here we have it. If we go to view, we can see the construction protocol, and these are all the steps that the student took to do it. Okay, so we can see he did 3 points, and then the triangle, and then just a circle through 2 points that are whatever. That is why this doesn't follow the math logic that we want it to follow. Okay, so we can put a bad grade to this student. Okay, done with this.